commitment to this project is very important. Even if you just want half a dozen bookings per year to help with the bills or a specific upgrade project, there's no point in just playing at this. You need to see it as a business venture, and you need to do it properly. Having a vague tidy up and sticking a couple of pictures and a bit of text on beds on board just won't work. Have a look at what those Airbnb competitors do. So you need to reconcile first the idea that strangers will use your boat's facilities and will sleep in your bed. Just don't think about that. Think about the money instead. And if you can't manage that, well, you've got to give up now. There's no point in carrying on. You need to mitigate in your own head against the possibility of minor cosmetic damage too. Now, I've had no damage at all on ZenDog or to the Cornwall holiday cottage I've rented for 15 years. If something did happen, I've got the guest deposit, I've got the insurance, I've got a good French polisher, and above all, I've got the guest's money. I just think about the money and get it fixed. So it's really important that you get your head in the right place if you're going to carry on. You are now in the hospitality business.